Alright guys, what up? It's your boy Ninja with some white noise online. Here with Slayer Killer. What's up? Say hey Slayer.
Hey guys, what's up?
Alright, today we're gonna be playing on Nightmare difficulty. And this is the first time I'm ever gonna be playing this on this channel. So here we go.
Alright, good.
Yeah, we're good to go.
God, this is gonna be cancer.
What map are we doing though? Oh, it's a random? We don't even know.
Yeah. Oh man.
We could get really lucky and get a good map, or we get this.
No, this map.
No.
I got bad flashlight too, so we're dead.
Oh hey, at least we already found this.
Yeah.
Are there ever any tapes in these things? Oh yeah, I hear one.
Should be.
I see it. Oh, what the fuck? Why is he already here? What the fuck? He didn't even reset.
Back there.
He didn't even reset. Wow.
I've actually never really played this map, so.
I've played it once and never played it again because I hate it. Okay, he's following us already. This really sucks. Okay, he's gone. Oh god.
That was funny though. That you messed up your intro on the first one.
How I messed it up? You were the one that did it.
I did.
Oh. What the fuck is that sound?
Cabins.
Yeah, what is that? All I hear is.
I don't even know, dude. My controller keeps vibrating up.
Oh, that's probably what it is. Please be one of these cabins. What happened?
Don't worry about it. Keep going.
Was he in the cabin? I hear
No,
it.
He was like far away with the flash. Almost got me.
Oh yeah, the fucking
Hey.
the flash.
We got like only two. Better.
But you know,
Only got two.
I imagined us dying at the first one because it was Nightmare.
Oh, green turd.
Yeah, I saw the green turd. What if it turns out that's actually what that is?
What?
He just took a shit, left it there, and it causes us to lose sanity.
That would be fun.
Oh, hey, there he is. Oh, what the fuck? What is?
I'm not gonna fully.
He just teleported there. Like, it was just so abrupt. He's just, bam, I'm here. Oh, there's the thing. There's the fucking, I don't know what to call it. I remember when we figured out how we could get on top of this.
Oh, ooh, we got closer, dude. Okay, he's gone.
Yeah, he probably reset, which I'm surprised he did because the first time he didn't.
Man, we're only at 3, man.
This kind of blows. Why am I losing sanity? What?
But the last one that we made, Ninja, the Black Ops, that's gonna be great.
What did you title the video?
Retards play Black Ops 2.
That's probably the best title you could have given it. Okay. That scared me.
I'm the one playing the sound here.
Yeah, I know. What? Oh shit! I don't know why I looked like a fucking. I was looking for him like a retard. Oh, what the fuck?
No.
Stop.
Oh, we're back to the cabins. We need to go that way.
Okay, do not turn around. Do not turn around. He is super fucking close.
Okay, I'm gonna check again. I don't see him.
He teleported somewhere else. He was about to insta-kill one of us if I didn't turn around. He's in the cabin. I see his arm. I lost you. Where did you go?
You lost me? What?
I lost
Oh,
you.
no. Where did you go?
I don't know, but I see a creeper in the house is all I see.
Yeah, I don't know where you're at.
Where the fuck? I'm around this big rock.
I went like around the back of the. I'm at the noose right now. Okay, that's a bad sign.
That is very bad. This is very
Where
bad.
are we at? Go back. No, why are you running away?
I'm going back to the cabin.
You're running away from me. Okay.
No.
Oh, I see you. I saw your light.
Where?
There
Oh,
it
I
is.
see you. I see you. The freaking light helps so
Behind
much.
me. I'm done. Wait, maybe
You can't go that way.
No, I'm like trying to peek around the corner, see if he's over. Yeah, I'm seeing him. Where you at? Okay.
What if we get trapped in this corner because we're standing here?
Ah, that would be dumb. No kidding.
You bitch.
But you know how you saw the one where me and my friend got stuck in that
Yeah,
one
I saw
corner?
you guys got stuck in the corner and you
That
couldn't
was
move.
fast, dude, I swear.
You couldn't move. That's why I brought it up. Okay, he is closely following us.
Like, there was an opening that I could have taken, but I was too scared to move.
Oh, I didn't like that
He's not
sound.
back there. Okay,
I
saw a noose
what?
back there
Oh, there
before
he
I
is.
went back. So I think the noose is back over here. 'Cause I saw it over here.
I barely see your flashlight right now. There it is.
You barely see me? Well, how far are you? You like all the way back?
No, I'm pretty close to you, but like I was further away, but then the only thing I could see was your flashlight.
Okay, there better be something here.
I don't hear
Hear
anything.
anything? Yeah, probably not.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
What?
Is he not there anymore?
There's no.
That's because he's right there.
Yeah. He's behind the tree.
Behind the fuck.
Alright. Not his ass.
Where's he at? Okay, there he is.
Like with my bad flashlight too. I'm blinking already.
Yeah, I'm blinking
Very
too.
dim. Isn't there supposed to be like a church or something?
Yeah,
down here?
and the window. Mm.
Okay.
Mm. I'm alive. I'm alright.
Church or...
Oh look, hold on. What if we just look at the sign? It'll tell us. Oh wait. Never mind.
Don't make me look at that sign again. Oh, here's the church.
Oh, here's it. Oh wow. I literally was sprinting, didn't see shit, and then I
Okay,
lifted my
like far
flashlight.
back there by the cave.
Is there anything here? Is there seriously nothing here? Oh my god, there's nothing here.
Are you kidding me? We found 2 spots with nothing.
Well, that means we found the 2 places there's not going to be one.
Let's try going through this tunnel here.
Oh boy. Here we go.
Honestly, when I first saw this map, I thought it was going to be an actual cave, not a stupid tunnel like this.
Because they only show the cave, that's it. So you're sitting here thinking, oh, well, it's going to be a cave
It's all
map.
dark and shit, like if it's an actual cave.
Ooh!
What?
He's behind me and he's very fucking close.
He's not.
God damn it. What? My controller vibrated. Why did it do that?
You're seeing shit.
I'm sorry, man. I'd be smoking too much weed.
Okay, my controller vibrated too.
Why did it do that? Ooh! My character even screamed. My character screamed.
Yep. It's a good time.
Okay, there should be stuff around here. There should be stuff around here.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I see it. Get it. Reset him. Okay, I'm surprised we even got to 4, honestly. By the way, guys, this is a 4-player game, only for $1. So I suggest you guys pick it up.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too, dude.
Okay, we both turn around.
Oof.
Okay, I see some hands.
Do you? Where? Oh, there. Sometimes there's stuff here. And then there's the white man.
Where's the white man?
I just saw him. I don't know where he went.
What are you doing here?
That means that nothing ever spawns here if there's nothing here. I don't hear anything. I just saw the flash, but I don't see him. What the fuck?
Okay.
Oh, that sounded really, really close.
Okay, behind us.
My controller vibrated again.
Okay, the statues of the monster over here.
Oh, there he is. Oh, jeez, I didn't see the green thing. I'm about to die.
Yeah, I don't. All I saw was a green thing. I didn't see it.
I saw him and the green thing. I almost died because of it.
Okay, there's more over here.
Over where? I lost you again. What the fuck?
Okay, I see a tape. I'm gonna get it and come back to you.
I don't fucking see you. Oh my god. Oh. How do I keep losing you?
Dude, I'm right here.
Where?
Turn around.
Oh, I see you.
I told you I was going to the other ones.
I couldn't find them.
I literally can barely see, dude. Why is this light so trash? Okay, there's a flash. I didn't see anything.
Oh my god. My character screamed.
Oh.
Not looking. Not looking. Not looking.
Yeah. I don't see anything back
I
there.
don't think he can come chase us through this tunnel, because, like, I've never seen him in the tunnel.
Well, that's a good thing, man. That gives us a second of relief.
1 second. Okay, there he is. Bro, he is constantly on our ass.
Alright, I'll check this out. Okay.
I guess that means you saw him. What the fuck was that? Oh, there he is.
What was what? What was what?
All I heard was like a rah. Oh, Jesus, I saw one of the green things. Fuck. I didn't even look at it. I just saw it in my peripheral vision. I'm not dead. I'm I'm still alive.
Yeah, you're right behind it.
I know you heard my character scream, but I didn't die.
Yeah, you're screaming a lot.
Oh God, Jesus! Oh, I'm dead.
No way.
He was
You're
so
not dead.
he was so far away, and then I tried to turn around, and he just teleported straight to me.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't play.
I'm dead.
Hey, behind me.
I'm fucking dead. I'm in ghost form.
You really don't. God damn, the motherfucker's still back there. I can't even look.
I'm trying to catch up to you.
Okay, let me. Oh my god.
Tried to turn around, but you can't.
He doesn't want me to look at you.
Ooh, the ghost is catching up with you.
Stop. That's
Ooh,
not the only thing catching up to me.
the ghost is.
He's back there.
Told you I was fucking dead.
I didn't even get to see you yet. Why? Okay, there you go. I got a clear look at you.
What the fuck? This fence is levitating. What the fuck? That's a dead end. You can't go that way.
No, he's right there. can't, and like this.
You were screaming like a motherfucker.
Oh my god, I can't see this flashlight. Is
Like, I looked at him, tried to turn around, and he just teleported to me. And insta-killed me.
That's what you get for having bad sanity, dude.
Yeah, you know.
Okay, that's church. Whenever I see him from far away, I try so hard not to react to any of that.
That flash sometimes gets you.
Alright, turn me.
Hold on, wait, what is this? Oh, it's the church.
No, there's like, there's green thing.
Na 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 na.
I'm just trying to calm myself now. He's right there. If I draw my controller, it'll be the end of it.
Oh, you're dead.
God damn.
We lasted an all 15 minutes and 24 seconds.
That was fun. Oh man.
I'm surprised we managed to get 5, honestly.
Yeah, that map is just garbage. Dude, 6. Okay, I got 5. I can't complain.
I got 6 screams. Jesus Christ.
I got 5, dude.
I like this.
Playing like random all around, like random map, random characters.
Yo.
Stupid. On Nightmare.
We'd be fucked.
Let's try it.
Yeah, we'll do it. Every time I see this replay feature, I just like keep wanting to watch it.
No, I don't know what it's about it. It's just.
It's just because like you've never seen like a replay feature look like this before.
Yeah, we've always seen replays like it's an actual
Yeah.
first-person view of it, not.
Yeah, this way is kind of cool. Alright, fuck it.
Well, it's cool, but it's like something different from everything else.
Yeah.
And the second one, I know it's the same exact thing. It's the same map and markers. And where you picked up the tape and where you saw it and stuff like that. See, we didn't go into the middle area. Alright, we're going random then.
Yep, we're doing it. New challenge. Random map, random characters. This could go really bad.
Stupid island map. I'm just quitting the game.
This could go really bad or really good.
Let's see. I want to know if I get a good character.
I hope I get a good character. We're gonna get like, oh boy, I got -1 stamina but +2 sanity.
I got -1 speed but +2 evasion.
That's not.
You're fucked.
Yeah, I'm pretty fucked.
I mean, you got sanity, so you won't die.
Yeah, I won't like.
To die.
At least it's not the island map. It's an outside map, but at least it's not the island one.
Yeah, the island one is too complicated.
Sounded like I heard him breathing.
You're still your character still, but it's not the thing.
What? Oh yeah, I get what you mean. Yeah, I get what you mean. You know, just different colors and shit. Oh, here's a face.
But what if we got like the two dudes? Because it cycles through the 4 default characters every time. Isn't that kind of dumb though? Like they made it to where like on the multiplayer it cycles through the 4 default ones, but in the single player it'll cycle through all the characters that you have unlocked.
Yeah, it's kind of dumb.
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing here because I don't hear anything yet.
Yeah, I don't hear anything either.
This is the calm part.
Yeah.
You don't have to run.
The only thing that sucks about your character is you can't run as much because you have
-1 stamina.
Yep. Could be worse. You can have -1 speed like I do, but I have evasion, so it kind of goes together.
Oh, here's statues.
And you're gone. Well, you're at statues.
Oh, what the fuck?
I don't even know if there's a tape here. Oh, there it is. I got it.
Alright. Come back to the statues. Alright, I see you.
Where were you at?
Rob, I was back here. Behind this fucking wall, there's the statues of him. I hear him. It didn't sound like he was close, but he's here.
You running?
No, I see one.
Honestly, the challenge that would be like good would be nightmare, random characters, and never turning around.
Oh Jesus!
I'm doing it right now. I'm not turning around ever. Not even to check if you're still behind me.
Not even turning around would be terrible because you would just insta die.
You don't know that.
Because you're never checking behind you. He's just gonna steadily get closer and closer to you until he finally catches you.
Well, you maybe, but not me because I have evasion.
He's here. I just saw. I'm not gonna take part in that don't turn around challenge.
Well, I'm gonna do it since I have evasion, so I don't necessarily. Have
He's still
to worry
back
about
there.
it at the moment. The likelihood of him popping up in front of me is not likely because of my evasion.
I see you back there with your arm sticking out between the trees.
And I ride some dragon heads.
Oh, nice. Dragon heads. Cool.
I hear you search the. Okay.
Oh, motherfucker.
I was about to say you search the right half, and I'll search the left half, but nope.
That sounds like he's super close. He is super close.
Yes, he is. Very close to you.
How close is he?
I'm just walking, and he's not even moving from his spot, but he gets closer to you.
That's bullshit.
He's gone. He's got another chance for him.
He's gone.
I'm not running either because I feel there's no need. Because of my -1 speed, it's not really gonna matter if I run or not.
There's nothing on the right half, but I do hear one, so it's got to be left.
Yeah, it's right there. I see it. It's on like the left portion of the dragon head. Hey, you just went the wrong way. It's right here.
Whatever.
All right, 3 tapes.
What the fuck? Oh, there you go. I saw something to the right.
Like what?
I saw like pillars over here.
That's probably where we spawned at.
No, is it? Could it be where we spawned?
I guess we're gonna go check it out then.
I mean, if not, we can just fucking need to quickly turn around and.
He's behind.
Is this where we spawned?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yeah, alright, just fucking turn around.
He's behind me though. Where are you at?
Right.
Okay, he's behind that tree over there. Oh look, vases.
Where? Oh, yeah.
I may have already failed the challenge because I think I turned around looking for you, so.
Yeah.
Mission failed.
Well, they can turn around all the fuck you want. Oh, yeah, he's behind us.
I feel that's not a good idea for my likings.
Yeah, because you're... it's a good idea for me, because, like, I have that +3 sanity.
Yeah, and there's nothing here.
Fuck.
This game is just being shitty. I feel like I found one of my tombstones right here. Dude, this fucker keeps cutting me off every time I'm trying to talk.
There he is.
Yeah, I don't see him.
He's back there by the fucking thing we just left.
Huh? Do you think we gotta cross over?
Yeah, at some point. The bridge when we find the bridge.
Alright, I'll check again. Of course.
Oh, there he is.
Yeah, I saw it.
There's the bridge. There's the bridge. There's the bridge.
He's right there.
Oh, he is. Time to go.
Come on, evasion. Don't fail me now. Okay, he's gone. Oh, he popped right.
What the fuck? He's on the other side.
Okay, you know what? I'm YOLOing it. I'm going for it.
YOLO.
Go for it. Okay, I'm gonna turn to the right. Come on.
That was honestly the dumbest thing we've done. Holy shit, why did we do that?
He's back there still. Keep running.
Why did we do that?
I don't know, but...
Of course he's gonna be right on our ass if we did that.
We're alive, aren't we, dude?
Alright, we're slowly getting away.
Okay. So I see a building up ahead.
Where? Alright, that's the fucking wood shop. He's gone.
Oh, yeah, he's gone. Not for long, though.
We have a few seconds to fucking get here and figure out.
I see it. It's in, like, the...
Yeah, I see it too.
That's funny. How's it still working? It looks like it's cut in half.
Yeah, what the fuck? It did look like he's cutting half.
There's a green thing over there.
Oh, why the fuck would you look at it?
I'm just trying to warn you that it's over there because I didn't see it in all the darkness. And then when I got close, I saw it.
Bad news is we're probably gonna have to cross back over.
I swear, we're probably going to have to. I'll have to check for us. Okay, he's right next to that green thing.
Oh, great. So it basically be like double sanity takeaway.
Yeah, if you had...
Windmill.
If you had your -2 sanity declared, you'd probably died there. Or nearly died. Okay, I see it.
Grab it. We'll reset him.
Yep.
Because he's pretty close. He's pretty fucking close. Right. Yeah, he got reset. Good.
God, that would honestly suck if we were playing Nightmare and they made it to where, like, it won't reset him.
Oh my god. He'd just be constantly aggressive.
Yeah, that would suck. But good thing they left that in there for this mode. You know, actually, Nightmare never existed in this game. It was just hard.
Yeah, and then they added it in version... Oh my god!
Okay, not looking that way.
I almost died, because if I didn't look where I looked, I would have been insta-killed.
Okay.
He is right on our ass.
Yup, he is.
I would have been insta-killed if I didn't look where I looked.
Yeah, probably would. And he's still right there.
Bro, his head is glitching, like it's just twitching like a motherfucker.
Yeah,
He's still behind us. He's still behind us. Nothing's changed.
He has two bitches to choose from. Okay, he's still behind there. He's coming.
I'm checking in the church.
Church, go. Okay, here, you check that. Oh, wait, I'll check this way. I'll check the other side of the thing.
I hear it. Yeah, there it is.
You got it. Where you at?
Coming back around where you just were.
Turn around, I see you. I went on the other side.
Alright. We managed to get to 6 this time.
Yep. And with default characters.
With default characters.
He's to the left.
Oh, motherfucker. To the left, to the left.
And even though I have -1 speed, I still run more than him. I don't know where
Yeah, because I have -1 stamina.
Okay, so back.
Is the bridge? Oh,
Fuck the bridge, dude. I'm going this way.
he's gone. Oh my god. I'm not dead. I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, I would think, because you got +2 sanity, so I think you should survive a couple of those.
He's behind you, by the way.
Yeah, isn't he?
Constantly having to turn around because he's being so aggressive.
No. Shouldn't have to turn around this much. Okay.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Yep.
Where?
He teleported there because he wasn't there a second ago.
Okay. It's good to know when you got closer, or maybe in the same spot when you got closer to him.
Oh, he's getting closer.
Okay.
What? He changed? He fucking teleported? Oh god.
Don't look.
Green thing. Alright. I looked down instantly as soon as I saw it.
Yep, he was right next to it.
You might have saved my life by looking.
Come on, you stupid bitches. Keep running. Don't stop.
Don't ever stop.
Coughing.
Don't ever stop.
Okay,
Did I just scream again? Jesus Christ.
Okay, he's behind the rock. I see the noose.
Please be one here. We haven't found it. It's right there. I see it.
Okay, come on. One more, dude. Come on. We got this.
I can't believe we managed to make it this far.
Yeah, I didn't either, because these characters kind of...
It's literally just the two of us, and we're using default characters. And it's Nightmare.
Yeah.
Ooh! We both just got jump scared at the same fucking time.
Jesus. He's back there.
Ooh, where did you go? There you are.
He's not going to stop until he kills one of us now. Yep, he's right behind you too. Haul Ash. Oh, I see something. I think this is the last area.
No way.
Dude, I think this is the last one.
He's gone. He's gone. I don't know where he is.
This has to be the last one.
He's gone. There he is.
Oh, okay. This has to be the last one. I didn't search over there. Okay, he's right next to you to the right. Oh, I see it.
Yes! We fucking did it! Holy shit! Let's go! What up? I'm about to scratch shit out of you. You ain't ready for it. Come here. Nyah, nyah.
Dude, I didn't think we were gonna...
I didn't think we were gonna make that with default characters. Holy shit.
Well, I mean, we didn't have evasion last time. Well, actually we did, but we only had +1 evasion. This time we had +2.
Yeah, that kind of helped. 8 screams.
Dude,
8.
Dude, 8 times? I didn't even scream half of yours. But I think you were the one that kept looking back a lot, that's why.
Yeah. If it wasn't for the +3 fucking what's it called? +3 sanity, we probably would be fucked. Because I would have died every time I looked backwards.
And our +2 evasion helped too.
Yeah.
Like, evasion's good on Nightmare, even though it's a slow character, it's still good.
I think maybe
You won't die as quickly.
that combo is pretty fucking good. Those two characters, if you don't have any like if you don't have any new characters, you should probably run those two defaults right there. That was actually pretty good.
Yeah. I don't know, that looks like something weird. Okay, no, never mind. For a second there, the replay looked kind of weird.
Yeah, I'm looking at it too.
Like the bottom right of the thing looks like, and then like the middle where that rip is on the bottom, and then...
No, shut the fuck up. Alright. I think we can do one more. And then we'll be done with this video.
Yeah.
We'll fit in one more game. I'm not going to edit any of this. This is just going to be straight posted.
Yeah. I'm going to cut mine.
Oh, boy.
Oh, same dudes again. Right.
Yeah, I got the same, literally the same people. Not bad.
Alright. Hopefully we're... I don't know this one. This one is snowy now.
Yeah, what the fuck? I don't remember this map.
Yeah, it's good for Christmas time because it's
Special Christmas map.
snowy.
Wait,
Oh, wait a minute.
is this the fucking island?
I don't... What island? But the one that we don't like?
Yeah.
No, like, I don't think it is because, like, it's always, like, brown on the ground. Like, it's brown everywhere.
Is it the
It's,
same
like,
map?
Green. I don't think it is, but I see the first tape.
I think it's the same map. Oh, there he is.
The same map that we just did?
Yeah.
Could possibly be, but...
They literally gave us it is. There's the river.
Yeah, but there's rocks that you walk over, I think.
Yeah, there was that in the other map too, but we didn't find it. Oh, hey, there he is. He's to your right.
That's good to know. Oh, I see another table.
Nice. We're on a fucking roll. What the fuck is this thing? That guy just distracted by a statue for a second.
I think you thought that these are the same map because they have the same landmarks in every map.
Is this not the same map? I thought there was only 2 outside maps.
No, there's the Chateau map, the Isla Grande map, and then this map is called...
Oh, the St. Martin, the Saint something map.
St. Martin, and then Kivatoya. So
Oh yeah, there is 3. You're right.
No, there's 4.
There's
4
4?
outside and only... Yeah, there's 4 outside and only 2 inside. And the funny thing was, the 2 inside maps were DLC maps added in an update. So there was no inside maps before in the game. They just added them.
Oh, what the fuck? He wasn't there 2 seconds ago. That could have been bad.
Must be Dragon Head, so. Oh, dude,
I see it. Hold on, I see it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
You need to get it.
Like
There.
Just like that. That's how I mean I'm gonna get it.
Okay, Mr. Smarty Pants.
I don't have to look at him. I already knew where it was.
I barely saw it as I was like looking back again.
You know when you're sprinting and you can look down and still see shit? That's what I was doing. Oh, he's to your right.
Alright.
Sprint a little bit because he's like pretty close. Okay, never mind. He just teleported backwards.
That's good. Found a cemetery.
Oh, this is the... Yeah, there's the church.
I wish you can like open doors, man. That'd be cool.
Oh, and the other map is the one with the fucking bus stop.
Yeah, somebody just popped up online.
Alright. Uh-oh. That's bad. Okay, he's still playing. I think V joined the game and joined the party. That fucked it up. Hey, V. Oh! Slayer got fucking disconnected. This is bad. This is bad. I need him to join back. Alright, he's trying, he's trying. That sucked.
Yeah, I'll just have to edit that out or I'm joining the party.
I'm not gonna edit any of that out. That's gonna stay right in the video.
Just that awkward silence.
I was sitting there like, oh shit, oh god, that's bad. That's real bad. Because he has to stop to get back in. It wouldn't have been that big.
He's right behind.
Ooh, motherfucker.
How much do we have? 3 or 2?
We have like 2.
2? What's not?
I think, I know for sure we have 2. I'm not too sure about 3. Oh, what the fuck?
Okay. I think, wait, what about the Dragon Head? We found one there,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, we found one at the Dragon Head.
Okay, it was the broken statue, the pillars, and then...
We found one at
Yeah.
the... Oh, yeah, this is 3. Yeah, we're at 3.
Okay, still ruthless.
You know what I realized about the last game we played is we didn't find a bad spot. Oh,
What do
motherfucker.
you mean we didn't find a bad spot?
Like, we literally we went to 8 landmarks and every single one of them had fucking tapes.
Yeah, that was just luck.
That's really fucking lucky.
That shouldn't happen. Your tape here?
I don't hear one.
Great. Here then.
Well, we found the 2 bad spots. Good to get that out of the way.
Okay, to the right.
There's a pillar to your left.
Okay, we're back to the spawn.
Alright, he's over there. Jesus Christ. Why was that there too?
Yeah, I'm going one-handed real quick.
For what?
Okay, never mind, I'm good. Just had to fix something. I can literally play with my left hand.
I mean, you don't really need much.
I literally just have to put my pinky on the trigger, my thumb, no wait, my index finger on the left stick, and then my thumb on the right stick. And that's it. It's kind of hard to play like that, but I mean, it's doable. Are you going the other okay, never mind.
I'm going.
No, I'm just saying never mind because he popped up in the window.
I hear it.
Probably in there.
I don't see anything in
I'm
here.
not checking the other one because he's
It's probably on the other side of the fucking wall.
probably.
Yeah, here it is.
Alright, 4 takes.
Which way do we go now?
We'll just go this way. Okay, my controller vibrated.
Yeah, I heard that. Mine didn't vibrate though. Oh, there he is. There he is.
What? Okay. Oh, well, he's running with that.
What the fuck? Oh, motherfucker. I'm alive.
Okay. He always leads us off the trail.
What a dick.
And, well, we just went back to a landmark we've already been to.
Fuck, that sucks.
Fucker, dude. Oh, the tombstone. Why am I...
There's a green thing behind that tree.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's probably why. Didn't even see it. I don't even know where to go. Yeah, he's right there.
If I don't turn around, he's gonna insta-kill me. There he is. There he is. He's over there.
Whoa.
What?
My controller vibrated like crazy that time.
Oh, Jesus, there's another green thing to your right.
Alright.
There he is. Okay. He killed me.
No way. Oh, fuck you. I was literally about to quit right there.
1v1. 1v1. Oh, Jesus! It would have been 1v1. Had to find 4 tapes.
God damn.
Fucking asshole, dude. It's more like he chooses the way we go.
Yeah, pretty much. What? Okay, he's still back there.
Yeah, I know. My fucking character keeps running out of breath, so keep fucking wait.
Well, I mean, your character does have bad stamina.
Ooh.
Okay.
Like I was trying to say true, and then all of a sudden, it just became stretched out because he scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, I think we're stepping in new territory.
Hopefully. Because otherwise, it would suck. Oh, motherfucker!
Still just looks like nothing but forest. Doesn't really look like anything's changed. Okay, right or left? Let's go left. Gotta make these quick decisions, can't be waiting around.
It's been a while since we found a tape.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of worried about.
Oh, motherfucker!
Oh, I found
Windmills, yes. Wait, didn't we get one here before?
I don't think so. I think that was last game.
That might have been last. Get motherfucker.
And you hear it? Oh,
Nope. Do you see it though?
what is it at? And wait a minute, do I see? Okay, no. Just my eyes tricking me.
I hear it.
Where's that dude?
Oh, thank God.
Alright, a moment of peace.
3 seconds of peace.